So one of the things after I first got this model, so I went to Hobby Lobby and purchased some paints here. Now I got what the heck is this? This is a Testors clean parts cement thing. So cement thing. I got some alcohol to clean my brushes. I got an X-Acto blade. I got another X-Acto blade, which actually came with my Testors paint starter kit, which came with a little bit of sandpaper, which is kind of cool. Sandpaper. X-Acto thing, which I bought myself. Real cement, the glue to put it all together. And then I got some of the paints, a little flat acrylic, some brushes. I get extra brushes too, just in case. And then, yeah. So I got this at the Hobby Lobby. Cheap, not too bad. Maybe 20 bucks, maybe 30 bucks, something like that. After all said and done. And, yeah. So let's put it all together. Look at that. It looks sharp. Everything looks sharp. All right. You do this. Be safe.